have you ever had somebody in your life, like you're having an argument with them, and they look at you and they say, relax? How does that work? How about take a breath, you'll feel better? No? Okay. But then, like, what happens? But you're with your kids, or you're in a classroom covering because, whatever, and all of a sudden you're like, relax, take a breath, breathe in, there's a tour coming, calm down, relax, right? So we're going to talk about different things that we say to kids and the way we communicate with other people that we would not accept. So instead of saying, I get where you're coming from, however, I understand what you mean by this, but how about I get what you're saying and I understand where you're coming from and the rules are this. I get that you don't agree with this and our policy states. Does that make sense? Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.